welcome back to my channel. So on Just Missy today we're going to be doing a Dollar General and a Dollar Tree haul. I have mostly home decor and Christmas. Yes, Christmas. I'm sure you hear this from a bunch of YouTubers, especially when it comes to the Dollar Tree. When you see something at the Dollar Tree, even though they're putting Christmas stuff out in September, you have to pick it up if you really like it, because when you want to have it back in December, you will never find it. You will never find it. So when you see it, pick it up. That's my best suggestion. So I've been accumulating some stuff. This isn't like something I went out and bought all at once. This was like over a couple weeks worth of stuff that I've been saving up to do a haul. And it's also a gift from one of you lovies, which I will talk about when it comes time to that. I'm so appreciative. You guys are so sweet by sending me stuff. When I talk about stuff that I can't find and stuff, you guys are just so precious. But if you are new here and just dropping in to check out this haul, please subscribe. We would love to have you. It's free. We do hauls and we do shop with me's and mobile home clean with me and homemaking and decorating. We have lots of fun on this channel. So we would love to have you and become a lovey. So without further ado, let's jump into this haul. So the first thing I want to share with you so that I can put it on the bed behind me is this. Look how stinking cute this is. So this was $8 from the Dollar General. It is so cute. It is actually a cookie jar. So if I was to take this plastic off, this part right here would actually come off. They have like a little piece of cardboard in between there. It is so cute. I am not going to be using this as a cookie jar. It's going to be home decor. I'm going to use this as a decoration. But I absolutely love it. And I love that there's a few of these like bluish teal pumpkins in here. If anybody's new and doesn't know, like teal is my thing. My kitchen, my living room, my bedroom. Teal everywhere. I love that bluish green color. So I love that there's a few of those in there as well. So I thought this was stinking adorable for $8. I thought that was a great deal. I've seen stuff like this at Hobby Lobby for like twice that. So $8 for me was a good deal. And I don't care that it's a cookie jar. We're going to make this home decor. So we'll just stick with the Dollar General. So if we end up staying here, I know you guys are probably waiting for like a little update on the house. We've had people look at the home. Some people have tried to take mortgages out. We're waiting on one to hear. If we do not sell our house by November, we're going to stay here in the mobile home for the winter and then put our mobile home back up for sale in the spring. We really want to be home before winter hits, because winters here in Pennsylvania are awful and we do not want to move in the winter. So if it happens to be that way and that's the way God wants it, then so be it. And if we do stay here or whether we move, I have every intention of doing a laundry room makeover. So when I saw these, I was like, yes! Whether we use it here or in our new house, I love these. So laundry room, sorting life out one load at a time. I thought that was so cute. And they have it like on the little hanger. And then the other one is the laundry is looking at me dirty again. I thought that was so cute. So I thought these were really, really cute. And these were $4 each from Dollar General. And I thought these were great prices because, again, I've seen stuff just like this at Hobby Lobby for twice that. So Dollar General, who knew? They got some banging stuff, y'all. So let me take this out. I love this. This is so my family. And that's exactly what it says. It says family. I'm collecting a whole bunch of new pictures so that when we move, I have all new like home decor for our living room. And again, this is like something you would see like at Hobby Lobby. And I love like this little beaded like texture on the side. It is so pretty. And it says family, a little bit of crazy, a little bit of loud, and a whole lot of love. And that describes my family perfect. So I love this. So I'm collecting because in my heart, we're moving. We are going to sell this mobile home and I'm going back to New Jersey to be with my family. And when I do, I want new home decor to go in the new home that we're going to be in. So I've been collecting steadily. And I'm telling you, Dollar General has really nice home decor. So now we're going to get into just a little bit of Christmas. I saw these and it's like, yes, please. And it's the same thing. When you see this stuff, you have to pick it up. I don't care that it's Christmas. You got to get it when you see it because you won't find it when you want it. So these were $1 and I thought they were adorable. And I love the buffalo check. And this one just says Merry Christmas. And again, it has the little red truck. I love the truck. I love the buffalo. I thought that buffalo print, I thought that was so cute. So I got that one. And then I saw gnomes. I love gnomes. And this one says, Gnome is where the heart is. Like a mock on home is where the heart is. And I thought that was super, super cute. With the little snowflakes in the background. And it has the little pops of teal. The presents on the background trees. So I loved that. And then I loved this classic one. Now I have no idea why this one was $2 when the other ones were $1. But I don't know. But it was really cute. And it just says Merry and Bright. Very simple. So I thought the 3 of these together would be really cute with this one in the middle. Hanging on my stove. Or if you have like one of those racks where like you hang your cutting boards and stuff. One of these draped over it would be super, super cute. So I love that. So I got those. Let me see what else I got. And then the last 2 things are home decor from Dollar General. I got this one. Again, same principle. Collecting home decor to put in our new home. Together is our favorite place to be. And I love the leaves. And it's like glass here. It's just beautiful. This one was $6. I love the gray. I just love the simplicity. Again, it reminds me of something that you would get at Hobby Lobby. I just think it's awesome. And I got this one. Faith, Family, Friends. I love that one. And this one was $5. So I love it. So that is my haul from the Dollar General. Now we're going to start into the Dollar Tree. So I may have shared this in another video. I'm not sure. But it was sitting with all of my stuff. So I'm just going to show it again during this haul. But this is one of the new signs. And the great thing about the new signs, these little things from the Dollar Tree, is that they're double-sided. Every single one of these is double-sided. So this one says Merry and Bright with the little red truck and the trees at the end. And then if you flip it over on the other side, it says Merry Christmas with the poinsettias. So I really love that. I don't think I've ever seen Dollar Tree do double-sided little signs like this. Usually it's just one side and the other side's blank. The only thing is the tops and the bottoms are not done. So I personally might paint the top of mine white because it just looks unfinished. It's like they did both sides, but they left the top unfinished. It's Dollar Tree. Still super, super cute though for $1. And I love that they did both sides. So it's like you get 2 designs for $1. I thought that was great. And they had some really cute ones. Then I picked this up, which I thought was adorable. The little snow globe, and it says Merry Christmas, and it's glittered. It has the little barn, and oh, it's just so cute. This is going to be adorable. This is an adorable little sit around to begin with, but on a 3-tier tray. Yes, please. And then I got myself a little paint yourself gnome. Isn't he cute? I feel like I have shown these. I'm not sure. I don't remember. I do so many videos. But if I have, I apologize. If I haven't, then yay. I just thought he was adorable. So I'm going to put him back in the bag because I don't want him to break. Let me grab some more. So I picked up another little, wreath form because I'm going to be doing a wreath. So I thought I'd show you this. Now, I don't know about your DTs, but my DTs are stocked full of these. And I did happen to see the candy cane one too. I don't know if I like it though. It looks really small. So I'm going to stick with my traditional like round wreath form. And then I bought some stuff for it. And I just want to put it out there, guys, that my DIYs and things like that, you guys will see on this channel just missing me decorating and doing home decor because I usually do a clean with me and then a decorate while we do all of that. But if you ever want to see like how I make things, DIY things, I do all of my DIYs from the Dollar Tree or whatever I get on my Patreon. And my Patreon is linked down below. And while we're mentioning things like that, don't forget to check out my second channel, y'all. It's weight loss, eating healthy, and daily living. It's Missy Lynn. It's linked down below too. Second channel, baby. Yeah. Okay. So, for the wreath, I got these white mesh and red. I got a couple each of the white and red, and they have like little like holographic colors in them. They're really, really pretty. So I got red and white. Put them back in here. And then I bought 2 of these, and what I'm going to do is cut strips of these and, you know, ducktail them and have them sticking out in between all of the mesh for my wreath. That's my intentions anyway. So it's red and white, and then the middle is all glittered. Okay, and then also in this bag is this. I thought this was really great for $1. Is one of these vinyl book bags. So my intention is backpack. You know, I know it's a little small, but I think it's perfect for me. So my second channel, like I just said, you know, really deals with like weight loss. And one of the things that I do for weight loss is I go on walks, hikes, whatever you want to call it. And because I'm a YouTuber and I like to put a lot of that footage in my second channel, and I use some of it for this channel too, like my openings and such, I have a ton of camera gear and water bottles. So I got this little vinyl backpack to take with me on my walks and such, because I feel like it's the perfect size for my camera, for my little tripod, for my water bottle, all the stuff, and I can just put it on my back and take whatever I need with me when I go out. So I thought this was fantastic for $1. You know, it's just a little vinyl book bag that I can put my stuff in, and it has a little pocket in the front and then side pocket. So I think that's going to work great for my little walks and such. So I'm really happy with that. Okay, so we have some non-Christmas things. I'm just grabbing at random, guys. So when I saw this, I was like, yes, because we're getting into those months, and I plan on still walking when it's really cold. And this is such a heavy toboggan. It's really nice, and it's called Juncture. I'm not sure I've ever seen this brand from the Dollar Tree, and I'm telling you, this toboggan is super nice. I wish you guys could feel it. It's real heavy. It feels like big woolen socks almost, but it's real simple, but I love it. I definitely will be wearing this. I love hats, so I will definitely be wearing that for my walks in the winter and such, because I have every intention to keep walking and such, even though when it gets cold. And then I needed new hair stuff, you know, because I always pull my hair up, so I needed new elastics, and I found this cute little scrunchie. I thought it was adorable. It has like little pearls and it's velvet. I thought that was really, really cute for $1. And I found this as well. I'll put all this back after. So I know it's just a bandana, but it's buffalo check. And it's red and black buffalo check. And my thoughts of this would be so cute, folded really nice to a point, and laid over a 3-tier tray, and then put all your decorations and such in here. So I have no intentions of using this as a bandana, but as for home decor, when Christmas rolls around, for like my 3-tier tray or for staging or whatever I want to do, because buffalo check stuff is so hard to find. And if I can find a nice piece of material, and these bandanas are great size for $1, you better believe it's going home with me. So, Christmas. So I found this. This says Fresh Farm Christmas Trees, and it has like a iridescent red truck. Look how cute, and it's the little box. This is going to be absolutely adorable. They would have had it out, I would have bought some. But when they start putting out the Dollar Tree floral, this is going to look amazing. Or you can even stage this as like a gift bag and get some of the really cute Dollar Tree tissue paper and like poof it all at the top here. You can stage this under your Christmas tree, or there's so much you can do with these. I just thought this was adorable, and I love the truck. It's very classic. The tree doesn't have lights or weird decorations in it. It's just a very classic. It looks very richy to me, so I really loved that. Loved that look. So I bought one of those, and then I got this one. I love this. It looks galvanized. I love it. It's a little red truck. It says Happy Holidays. The little red house in the background. Just classic. Again, great sit around or for a 3-tier tray. This is really, really cute. I love these. This may be an old print. I'm not sure. This may have been out last year, but when I saw it this year, I was like, yes. And I love how there's like little glittered snow in the trees. It's just really, really cute. I just love it. And then the last two things I'm going to show you are actually, let me grab them. They're actually a gift because I can link it down below or up here in the corner here. It was my shopping day with my daughter, and I think it's called Let's Go Shopping. And I went to like 2 or 3 different Dollar Trees looking for the Dollar Tree gnomes, and I couldn't find them. So Karen, thank you so, so much, was so kind. I don't want to show her address or anything, but was so kind to send me a surprise in the mail, and she sent me the gnomes. So one of these guys is going to be the center of my wreath because they are adorable. But these are the Dollar Tree gnomes. So this one is the red buffalo check. Isn't he cute? So I'm saying, when you guys look at this, the bandana, so stinking cute. For $1, there's so much you can do with that. But look how cute he is, and it just says welcome. This might be my wreath gnome. But he's so adorable, and his beard and stuff is glittered. So stinking cute. Thank you so much, Karen. You lovies are so fantastic. And then here is the black and white little buffalo check, and his says Merry Christmas, and he has a little present, and I love the little green booties. I just love it. They're so cute. So stinky cute. I can't thank you enough, Karen. I love them. So one of them will be making an appearance on my DIY wreath. And like I said, if you're ever interested in seeing one of my DIYs, I do DIYs and I do journaling and I do photography and such on my Patreon. And if you are in need of healthy recipes and weight loss and things of that nature, I'm down 136 pounds and still counting. So if you need any of that, don't forget to jump over to my second channel either. So that is my Dollar General and my Dollar Tree haul. I hope you guys enjoyed that. And I'll be talking to you guys very soon in a new video. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. Know that I love you, but Jesus loves you so much more. And I say it all the time. Whether you're blessed with a mobile home or a mansion, be grateful for whatever God has given you, and I know He will bless you with more. I'll be talking to you guys very soon in another video. Until then, take care of you. Bye, guys.